Body wash for sensitive skin. The first recipe is a soap-free body wash for those with very sensitive skin. The reason why you might want to avoid using soap in your body wash is that it may aggravate certain skin conditions, such as eczema, body acne, skin allergies, and psoriasis. Of course you won't expect the lather from it, but nevertheless, it still removes the dirt, leaving your skin clean and fresh. Homemade body wash recipe. Take a large bowl, and add in it 1 cup of colloidal oatmeal, 1/2 cup of coconut oil, 1/4 cup of raw honey, and 15 to 20 drops of lavender essential oil. Mix the ingredients thoroughly, and then transfer the mixture into a 16 ounces disc-top dispenser bottle. Keep it in your bathroom cabinet, and avoid any water getting inside. To use, simply pour some of the body wash on your hand, rub all over your skin, then rinse off with warm water. The benefits of the ingredients. Colloidal oatmeal contains natural saponins, so it's quite effective at cleansing the skin. Coconut oil nourishes, heals, and protects the skin due to its high amount of medium-chain fatty acids. Since it is antimicrobial, it wards off the microbes that irritate the skin, and helps with dry skin by giving it a proper hydration. Honey is moisturizing and cleansing, and has lots of healing properties that are beneficial for skin. Lavender essential oil is used to cleanse the sensitive skin. It prevents skin irritation, soothes the skin, and leaves it with a fresh and pleasant scent. Foamy body wash. If you want something foamy, you can make your body wash with Castile soap. While it is still soap, it may work just fine for your sensitive skin. So, take a measuring cup, and manually mix in it 3 tablespoons of liquid Castile soap, 2 tablespoons each of olive and castor oil, and 10 drops of lavender essential oil, or any other essential oil of your choice. Transfer the mixture into a suitable container, the glass one would be better, and use it while taking shower. You can store this body wash in a dark place, at room temperature, for several months.